Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got this macro yesterday or late last night. Just started playing around with it. Don't 100% know the application, but it could be cool, and you could use it. And the gentleman, his name is Eskimo. I'm gonna try to post this link to my video where this is at. It's totally free. He does it for the community. Kind of like what I do, just sharing. And this guy is off the chart talented with this. And I don't really know 100% how to use it, all of it, but he's got also 2 videos that explain it a lot better. So I'm just kind of letting you know it's out there. But you can set the gutters, which is actually the space between them, the margin to the left, the margin to the right, the gutter, the margin to the bottom. I guess I need to put 0.25. And we could have 5. This is called Windowpaner, like a window pane. And then you hit create. And it put 5 panes by 5 panes. So you could use this as a laser engraver because that's solid lines. I mean, you can do rectangles, you can do real lines, you can do guidelines. Let's just back up here, even though I haven't even done this yet. You need to select, let's select the item and then go guidelines and create, and it created guidelines 1/4 of an inch off the edge, 1/4 inch everywhere, and 5 down and 5 back. If you just wanted 2 window panes, one direction and 2 the other direction, of course you have to click on your item and hit create. Well, I was back on guidelines, so let's back up. If we wanted to do window panes or rectangles, click on your rectangle, and you made, as a laser engraver, this would help you in drawing. If you were drawing a window and you need to put glass panes in it because it's perfect. And you can change it and have the bottom margin 2 inches. And then you're going to draw it, and now the bottom has a 2-inch margin. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to post the link at the bottom of the video, but here it is right here, exactly to it, but it's a little bit to type out. Anyway, enjoy that. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.